Hey, this is Cole, and I'm playing NHL. I made a team called the Fredericton Wild Wings, and they're in the QMJHL. We're first right now, and barely though. We're tied in first. We're actually kind of third. But anyways, we are playing the St. John Sea Dogs, and we're gonna win. It's tied 1-1 right now, so let's hope for the best. And yeah. I made my own QMJHL team, and it's pretty fun. I was so pissed, though, when the other team scored. So I'm playing like one of the last place teams right now. If they score, I swear to God. Yeah, I'm only doing this period, maybe half of the next. There we go. Oh, dang it. Up round. Try to do it. No, can't do it. Don't know why. See something interesting. Okay, 1-1. These guys are going down now. You better not score, I swear. Are you serious, ref? Fight! I'm gonna win this, I guarantee you. This guy's going down. Told ya. Yeah. Yeah, my graphics suck on my phone. Just like, you know, this is NHL Legacy. It's not one of them old games. But it looks retarded. Yeah! Woo! Take that!
You get this close to the goaltender, the puck on your stick, you gotta snap it quick. Well, he got fooled on this one. Still on his feet when the puck enters the net. Solid win at center ice. Now what? Gets in. What do we do? Wonderful work in close enough.
Oh. You serious, ref? Get a pair of glasses, why don't you?
Close to the goaltender. Sea Dogs go on the power. Oh, big sweeping save. Well, what a great opportunity. Trailing in this game for their first power play. Eddie, I'm with you on that. Nothing much at stake. Just our reputations. To Roy. Through the neutral zone. He's right in front with it. And that one's
please like. This is only like my third video I ever did. Frig! You bunch of St. John retards.
Oh, he hit that puck square in the middle of his stick. Great technique.
Dang it!
Even the game here. Still in the second period. Anybody's game now.
I'm getting you back for that.